Mercedes-Benz introduced the first generation AMG GLE 43 Coupe in India in 2016. But little did it know then that the coupe SUV will turn out to be the brand's best-selling AMG in the country. The German auto giant sold the AMG Coupe SUV in triple-digit numbers over the last 4 years in India, making it one of the most popular performance offerings on sale. The first generation GLE Coupe has been such a successful model for Mercedes-Benz that the second generation became all the more important, and Mercedes-Benz India knows this very well. That's why the second generation GLE Coupe has seen a complete overhaul, and I'm not talking about just the design and features. In terms of driving dynamics, powertrain, connected technology, it's a completely new SUV. Well, coupe SUV. But more importantly, the new GLE 53 bridges the gap between the entry level and the older GLE 43 and the flagship V8 powered GLE 63. This is the second generation Mercedes AMG GLE 53 4MATIC Plus Coupe. Yes, that's the full name. And it is unmistakably a GLE, but with the Affalterbach influence thrown in. Compared to the predecessor, the new GLE 53 Coupe is now 39mm longer and 7mm wider, while the wheelbase has been stretched by 20mm. The design language mimics that of the larger GLE 63 Coupe closely, with the bulging Panamericana grille that is complemented by the equally large three-pointed star. The power bulges on the bonnet add to the muscular theme. The new multi-beam headlights look stylish, complemented by the twin LED DRLs. The pronounced wheel arches add to the beefy looks of the SUV. Compared to the first generation, the roofline blends more seamlessly into the tailgate, and the rear profile is wider and more imposing as well. We also like the new angular LED tail lights with that signature pattern, while a large diffuser separates the quad AMG exhaust tips. The India spec AMG model also gets the night package as standard, which means there are fewer chrome inserts on the bumpers, window surrounds and the tailgate, all of which are covered now in gloss black finish. It's a familiar place inside as the layout is identical to the ones on the brand's newer cars. It is complemented by remarkable quality and craftsmanship that Mercedes-Benz is known for. The cabin gets the AMG treatment with brushed aluminium, Napa leather on the steering wheel and the seats, and carbon fiber inserts on the dashboard. The massive 12.3-inch dual screens take most of your attention and run on Mercedes' new MBUX user interface. The system offers plenty of customization options as well. Now the GLE 53 Coupe comes with 7 driving modes. Now there is of course a sand, slippery and trail, which are off-road oriented, and you get comfort, sport, sport plus and individual, which are more road biased and more performance friendly. Apart from that, you get a lot of access points across the dashboard. You have this lovely F1 inspired steering wheel that gives you a lot of settings to choose. For example, the dial here allows you to set the driving mode, while you have this customizable settings and buttons over here that lets you choose between AMG driving dynamics, exhaust note, other manual settings on the car. There's also the traditional touchpad to access controls. Mercedes offers 2 upholstery options on the AMG GLE 53 Coupe that includes the black and truffle brown color scheme as seen on a test car, and a 2-tone black Napa leather theme as well. Despite the dark colors, the cabin is roomy and there is ample headroom and legroom, especially in the second row. The seats are comfortable for all occupants and 3 can seat in comfort at the rear. You also get the panoramic sunroof that adds to the overall sense of space in the car. For those looking at load hauling duties, the boot capacity is a practical 655 litres, only slightly less than the full-size GLE, but a whole 70 liters more than its predecessor. There's also the voice command feature that can be activated by saying, "Hey Mercedes." While the feature list includes 64 color ambient lighting and a 13-speaker Burmester sound system. There's also the handy Mercedes Me Connect app that brings a suite of new features like remote engine start-stop, remote lock-unlock, pre-cool cabin, vehicle telematics and more. The 2020 AMG GLE 53 4MATIC Plus Coupe gets a new 3-litre twin-turbocharged petrol engine. The motor is a big step up from the older 3-litre V6 that powered the GLE 43 Coupe. The new engine packs more power as well at 429 bhp, while peak torque remains the same at 520 Nm. With the substantial jump in output, there's also new electrical assistance for better performance and efficiency. Now the 3-litre inline 6-cylinder turbo engine on the GLE 53 Coupe comes with EQ Boost technology. In fact, it is the first AMG engine to get that technology, which is essentially a 48-volt mild hybrid system. Now this adds an additional 21.6 brake horsepower and 250 Nm of peak torque and helps support initial acceleration. So what it does essentially is compensate for that initial turbo lag that you would get from this engine and offers smoother acceleration through the rev band. And that's great because this engine likes being revved. In fact, it revs all the way up to 6,800 RPM. EQ Boost particularly helps when crawling through city traffic and during half-throttle inputs. It also doubles up as a compressor powering several of the car's electrical systems. This AMG will hit a top speed of 250 km per hour with 0 to 100 km per hour coming up in just 5.3 seconds. The 9-speed AMG SpeedShift gearbox also gets special mention and works effortlessly to propel the car, and the gear changes are barely noticeable, more so in the Sport Plus mode. Lateral shifts are minimal thanks to active ride control that compensates for the lean, and you end up going flat out around a corner. Straight line stability is excellent with the massive 21-inch wheels that offer superior grip. The ride quality is pliant and the thick sidewalls help minimize the impact of bad roads. Braking performance remains sure-footed, aided by the active brake assist, with the AMG ventilated discs bringing this mammoth-sized coupe SUV to a halt in no time. Now this comes with an AMG performance exhaust with selectable flaps, and that lets you choose between a very sedate exhaust note, or you could just flick a button here and it will move into a more powerful, more AMG oriented exhaust like this one. It is in Comfort and Sport Plus driving modes where the AMG GLE 53 Coupe will spend most of its time. The Coupe SUV will easily take your family for a Sunday brunch and also transform into a proper thoroughbred at the turn of the dial. However, the upgrades do come at a premium, as the new GLE 53 Coupe is now more expensive by 40 lakh rupees. But it is offered in a single fully spec'd version priced at 1 crore 20 lakh rupees ex-showroom India. The new GLE 53 Coupe should sit very high on the list for those searching for a German SUV with lots of character and performance. And that won't be an easy choice, considering your options are the BMW X6, Audi Q8 and the Porsche Cayenne Coupe. With Mercedes now planning to locally build AMG models in India, we expect the GLE 53 Coupe to be locally assembled at some point in the country, and those sales numbers to grow even higher.